YouTube, what's going on? I know it's been a minute since I actually posted anything, but life happens. Today is finally the video. A few sound clips of my boosted 6 lower downpipes paired with my AFE 2.5 inch mid pipe, wide pipe, whatever you want to call it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. I'm just trying to give you guys an insight on how much it rattles and how, because pretty much, man, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'll be honest, bro. Like, I'm not really the biggest fan of the exhaust, and that can be due to the fact that did not get resonator deletes, and I don't know. It's like real tin canish, but I'm just gonna play this sound clip and I'll explain after. there it is. Again, boosted 6 lower downpipe, AFE 2.5 inch to 3 inch mid pipe. I'm not happy about it, man. I'll keep it a stack with you, man. It sounds very, very tinish, as you can hear on the headphones, or whatever you're listening to. I actually had to turn the volume down in this video just so it won't blow out your eardrums. Trust me. And again, this is my daily driver. So if it wasn't my daily driver, I don't think I would be too upset. But I'm not like necessarily that upset because, hold on. I ordered 2 resonators. So this is why the sound clip with the resonator version isn't on. Is because only one came. So I don't know if I'm just gonna post this video because it's been a while since I've even released content for my Q60, but I don't know if I should wait. But this is also, so if you were to order the resonator version, you would get this resonator. You would get 2 of them. I didn't do that. I ordered non-resonated. I'm hoping when I get the second resonator and I put these on, it will reduce the drone dramatically. And I don't know if it's because I didn't install this myself. I went to a shop to get it installed. But ever since they installed it, my exhaust rattles now. So that's something also I got to look into. Because I know the resonators won't stop the exhaust from rattling. It's just going to hopefully tone down that drone. So if the sound isn't up to par to my liking, I'm just gonna order mufflers. I have my old Q60, I have my old stock mufflers, but the issue is that they're so big, pause, no diddy, they might just take out the noise entirely. That's something I don't want to do. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm just gonna post this video and then post another video on after. And I also have Z1 sway bars, so stay tuned for that video, I guess. And the plan is from now is to get the car tuned, even though I know I didn't get the heat exchanger. Oh, you should have got the, I don't want to even hear it, bro. Like, listen, you got to work with what you got, all right? So I'm just gonna go get the tune first, and hopefully it's between Visconti or Go Racebox. So you guys stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'm waiting for the second one of this. So again, I don't know if I'm gonna post it and just have at it, or I'll have sound clips. I mean, I guess you're in the future, so you should know. Without rambling you guys' ear off, I appreciate everyone, the few of you who actually do support the channel and like my videos, comment under my videos. It's greatly appreciated. The content is, comes out here or there because honestly, this is something I do in my free time. It's not like I don't plan on doing YouTube full time. I just thought it would be cool to, start posting my content, start posting content of my journey with my Q60. So if you guys like that and you guys want to support me, by all means, it'd be greatly appreciated. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I'm out.